باب علامة المنافق. Chapter: The signs of a hypocrite. حدثنا سليمان أبو الربيع قال حدثنا إسماعيل بن جعفر قال حدثنا نافع بن مالك بن أبي عامر أبو سهيل عن أبيه عن أبي هريرة عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: آية المنافق ثلاث: إذا حدث كذب وإذا وعد أخلف وإذا أؤتمن خان. Narrated Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the signs of a hypocrite are three. 1. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. 2. Whenever he promises, he always breaks it, his promise. 3. If you trust him, he proves to be dishonest. If you keep something as a trust with him, he will not return. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 39 narrations from Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.